Hey, crafty friends. Once again, I was working ahead. I have some more cards for ASC Supplies on Etsy, and these cards were created using the Stamperia collection. It's the one with the unicorn. I can't remember right now. So, yeah. I'm sure you'll recognize it because it's been out for a while. I'm sorry. I can't reach it. Here we go. Card number 1. And all the links to ASC Supplies will be in the description box down below. These are all single fold cards, shabby chic style. I also used a lot of, well, actually, I think all the flowers I used are also from ASC Supplies, and I think they are 49th and Market. So all I did to shabby these up was I used some white paint and I kind of dry brushed the flowers. This is a cut apart from the paper collection. It says Wings to Fly. I added these pretty corner pieces from Wild Orchid Crafts. And I also used these dies, and these are graphic 45 dies that I also got from ASC Supplies on Etsy. So check that out. And these simply open like that. And that's card number 1. I'm sorry, I have crazy dogs behind me playing. So my next card, this is a wood word that just says thank you. This pretty butterfly from the collection shows. I got lace and more of those pretty flowers. These are dies from my stash. And there's a pink doily back behind there. It's card number 2. Card number 3, again, the beautiful 49th and Market flowers. I had some doilies in the background. I covered one of them almost completely up. I hate it when that happens. Again, these little leaf dies are from Graphic 45. And this from the paper collection says Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. Pretty little corner pieces there with those popped up 3D flowers from Natasha's Scrapbook Corner. Okay, this one's really simple. I cut apart this image. It's a circle. I layered the doily back behind. I added some lace down here, and then these are some pretty flowers that come as a trim. And I just thought they looked perfect right there. They've got the little danglies. And then this is a wood word from Saw Crafters, which is no longer in business. It says, I love you. And she's like, looks like she's getting ready to kiss the butterfly. So again, this one is, oh gosh, I'm sorry about my glue strings. I didn't see these before, but I'll take the heat gun to it. The wood word believe is from Michaels. The 49th and Market flowers and the graphic 45 leaf dies. Lace across here. There's a doily. And that's a very similar image as that one over there, but she's kind of wearing different clothes. And then a pretty seam binding bow. And then the last card for this bunch is this one. This is another circle that I cut apart. It says, Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. So I guess that's what the other one said too, that one over there. I added the beautiful corner pieces. I just love those with the flowers here. Lace around the back. I did pop up this butterfly on top of that butterfly. I love the 3D effect. And the 49th and Market flowers. And then the graphic 45 leaves with lace at the bottom. So there you go. That is my bunch of Shabby Chic cards. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're inspired. I am having a lot of fun with these. And I don't know how much I'll be able to do, after my surgery for a while. But the hardest part about these is using the distressing tool, because I have to hold the paper in this hand and then distress it with this hand. So I may not be able to do these for a while, but Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box down below for ASC Supplies. Free shipping over $75. You get a 10% off coupon if you sign up for their newsletter. Every month you get a 10% coupon. And these cards are going to be for sale on eBay. So I will link that in the description box down below. If they're not there, that means they're already sold. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Happy scrappy day.